How to change lock screen clock on Android Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change lock screen clock on Android Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in your Realme device, first of all launch the settings. Under settings, scroll down a bit and head towards display and then tap on it. Under display, now head towards the lock screen and tap on it. Scroll down a bit and on the lock screen there is an option as double line clock. So if you have turned on this toggle here in your lock screen, double line clock will be shown up. But if you turn off this toggle, now in your lock screen single line clock will be shown up. So in this way you can change your lock screen clock on Android Realme device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.